Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy, and this is a little update just to let you know that Mike is out of his surgery, and I've seen some horrendous pictures of him stuck in his apparatus with like steel rods going into his head, believe it or not. I have. And then afterwards with this massive bandage around his head because one of his holes won't stop bleeding. He said to Gemma that it was absolutely awful and horrendous. The injections were the worst thing to numb it. So all we can hope is that that is the absolute end of it. I am really hoping so, because he sent me a text when he came out, and just read the text and burst into tears. I mean, I know it's not an invasive thing. He wasn't having brain. God knows what I'd have been like had he had the brain surgery. I mean, I think I might have been a basket case. Anyway, he is my baby after all. So, and I mean that because he's my youngest. But it's just no words really can describe how you feel when you're in that situation. So yeah, I'm happy it's all over. Well, it's all over today. We hope that when he goes for a follow-up that they find that it worked. They doesn't have to have it done again, because you know, I think we'd have to drag him there kicking and screaming if he has to have that done again. And well, then we have to hope that it's the best case scenario, that after 2 years it's completely gone. So fingers crossed for all that, prayers and everything else, that it all goes the best way possible. But for now, he's out. He's got a massive headache, a huge turban of bandages, should I say, and he'll be on his way home soon. But he had to stay there for an hour after the procedure to make sure that he was fine. And then also they needed to have the actual wounds where the fixator thing was on. They have to get them to sort of heal up. But I can't take much more of this, guys. It's bad enough. I mean, what an absolute awful year or so. Starting off with him having a bleed on his brain, finding out he had an AVM, and then there was an aneurysm on the AVM which caused the bleed, and then me and Gary getting COVID, and then Gary getting angina, the boy's dad having a heart attack, then me getting cancer, and then all through this, Mike's wait for this surgery, talking about going up through his groin and using micro instruments and gluing or burning, and then figuring out that that wouldn't work and it caused too much risk, and then thinking about brain surgery and the massive risks involved in that, and now culminating in this. So good grief, you know, enough is enough now. I think I can safely say that we've had enough now. It's time to move on to something else. You know, I don't wish any of it on anyone, to be honest with you. It's been totally horrendous, but it's a wonder we can actually still smile about it. But hopefully, fingers crossed. Didn't really cross that well, did they? It is going to be the end. We have to think positive, hopefully. Anyway, it's just a quick update for you. So thanks for watching. And I know you were all rooting for him and praying for him and all those things. So I thought I'd get on and let you know. So bye for now. Stay safe. Take care. And coming up very soon is my second yarn video. So watch out for that. Bye for now.